Confluence. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Today is 16th February and it is CAPS Confluence. I am in a club called CAPS, and so we have a flagship event for the very first time, and we both are the MCs.
We've got different workshops today.
And it is going to be a long big day, very hectic but very fun, probably. Yes, it is all professional kind of stuff,
We weren't aware of our venue till like 5 minutes ago.
but yes, अभी हमें पता है हम कहाँ जाना है. And there's a possibility, you sit here, there's a possibility कि हमारी script फिर से change हो जाए क्योंकि last minute things, and we are practicing और inauguration चल रहा है उधर. Oh my god, the camera is not stable people yet. और inauguration चालू हो गया है CAPS Confluence का, but it's okay, it's fine because we are practicing. हमारा event is 11:30.
Yeah, 11:30 to 1 we have to do.
And उसके बाद we have to attend all the sessions, and my class is not here, so my friends are not going to be there to watch me because मेरे सारे friends गए हैं. हाँ, Banner Hatta campus.
For?
A media event. I'm from media.
Oh, I'm from the province.
Oh, okay, that's why I've seen you. Guys, we just know each other from CAPS, पर हमें नहीं पता कि हम कौन से courses में belong करते हैं,
We
but
just
it's okay.
discovered we belong to the same school.
School of Social Sciences. So yes, we'll keep updating you more. Okay guys, bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Manish Ravi and I am one of the MCs for today. I'm not going to read my script because it's weird here in the canteen. So let's not do it. And cut to.
Guys,
Right here.
she's my team lead and she's with me.
I'm a volunteer. I think you guys the best MC. All the best.
Oh my god, thank you. Okay guys, so we are waiting for our sessions to start और हम बाहर ही बैठे हुए हैं and we did not go to अंदर inauguration and we have my MC head, he's Pranav.
Well, I am her MC head, like she said earlier, of CAPS. And yes, I love my life, as you can see so far.
Guys, he's not doing MC and he threatened me morning mein. I got so scared. He was like, you have to do 2 to 3, and I was like, no, I can't because I'm
She's
scared.
actually lying us. I'm a very good MC head. I love all my juniors.
You did not do this morning mein, tell me. बोल रहे?
Extremely nonchalant I've become, but she's a very good MC as well.
Oh my god, thank you.
See, I'm complimenting her. See, I'm such a good senior, right?
Guys, as usual, I got late because we were supposed to take our people to our venue and मुझे नहीं पता कौन कहाँ गया, but I got late and lifts are not coming. I have to go to 6th floor. So let's see. The seminar is about to start. The guest is there. I need water and we are waiting like for people to come and then we'll start. 60 plus clients across India, US, UK and the Middle East, helping them grow their visibility and business through LinkedIn.
Anyone, it can be anyone, but through your profile you have to be very clear about it. Through your post you have to be very clear about it. In one post, through one post you cannot.
Guys, she's done for the day. So guys, I did my intro part and now the session is on, and I just have to go and give the word of thanks and thank the guest and the audience. But yes, it is going fun. But I'm very hungry क्योंकि मैंने breakfast take किया था और मुझे बहुत भूख लग गई है. And all my classes in BHR campus and and they're having fun. It's okay. And CAPS planned some fun activities. CAPS is the club, so they arranged very fun activities for volunteers, and it got cancelled. But it's okay. It's fine. So I'll be free jaldi hi. Okay, bye. So guys, these all are the people who attend. Guys, I'm done with my MC. And we have AI Conclave Parso, which is on Wednesday, another event. and our class has gone to Bandarghatta. This is my class, but we have 10 people working here for decor, so I'll show you them. Hey guys, they're working on decor. आज बच्चे चले गए for lunch. Hi guys. Guys, she just missed her bus morning mein, and now she has to do the decor. This is what you do when you have events coming up. Is we have decor heads. इसकी nails भी red है bro. करना है मुस्कान का event आ रहा है MUN. Guys, Ananya is here, and how was your MC?
Not good.
Why?
Fucked up the last part.
It's okay, that too because of audience, na.
My speaker was ready to start the session without any introduction. He was almost starting that Akriti had to go and inform him. So we have an MC.
So like he just went and he started speaking.
He's connected his PPT and he was like, I'll go.
Oh my god, enthusiasm.
No, but he was crazy good. His session, crazy good. I'm so glad I got to listen to him.
Financial literacy,
Yeah,
na?
crazy. All he talked about was stocks. So as a beginner, it was really nice.
Good. Nice. So I'm done with my session and I just had food, but I couldn't record it because बहुत ज़्यादा crowd था. But we are going to the next session, and so come along.
Like you said, there are different departments coming together, and then there is interdisciplinary innovation. Sometimes it can sound
Guys, we are done with the CAPS confluence.
Cancelled Fireside Chat, the only event we were excited about because we couldn't figure out कि daylight में Fireside Chat.
Fireside chat cancel हो गया. Then जो volunteers के लिए था वो भी cancel हो गया. अरे. Oh, refreshments. Oh, it's okay. We have refreshments. Naksha. कर दो भाई.
तो फेंको
So guys, that was CAPS confluence and the other sessions got cancelled, so that was it for the day and it was so fun. I got to, talk to everyone. I did talk to many of them for the first time and taxship event, so it was very fun, very hectic, and I'm done for the day. I have a lot of CIs pending, but yes, we can say it was the best event I attended of CAPS this year. I cannot say this year, this semester, because last year मैं गई नहीं CAPS में, but yes, it was very fun. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.